Today I'm going to be installing AEV's Steering Damper? Damper? We'll figure it out. The aftermarket steering shock thing that goes under there. I actually ordered it with the rest of the stuff back in November, but December when I put the lift kit on, took forever. I needed a break. Plus I thought it would be kind of fun to see what the lift kit felt like with the lift kit and the big tires with the original steering damper before I put the aftermarket one that I bought 9 months ago, 8-9 months ago. Didn't mean for it to take this long, but it's one of those things I put it on the shelf and just kind of forgot all about it. So we're going to do that today. I haven't even opened it yet. I printed off the instructions, so let's go read the instructions and get that thing opened up. AEV's high performance steering damper. Step 1, take off old steering damper. Step 2, put on new steering damper. See what's in here. Like my nice snapped off box cutter blade. Wonder what I was using this on in the past. Broke the razor blade. Well, this looks just like the shocks that came with the lift kit. Maybe it is just a built-in shock. High performance steering damper with a crooked sticker. Well, that kind of stinks. Can I do it? It's moving. It's moving. Why am I doing this? I'm probably gonna be sore tomorrow. No. We got it. What an absolute waste of time and energy. Now that we're onto the truck, this looks to be pretty straightforward. Nothing really in the way of getting tools in here. 18 mil, 18 mil. Let's take them out. This might be fun to try and put back on at the end. Ta-da! Removed. Oh, use this old one. Camera check. Standing in front of the tire, pressing on. Oh, wow. That's a lot easier to compress than the new one. I wonder if that means anything. Crap. Do I remember which end goes which way? Dang it. Come back instructions. Okay, piston end goes on that side. Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna have to do this again, aren't I? There's no way I can hold this. Can I get in there in one shot? Ooh, I think I can. Come on, come on, come on. Yes. Oh, this isn't in though. press it a little. Oh no, not that much. Just bingo. Easy bolts on, and now the interesting. Oh, that's not so bad. You can see it from this side. That's not bad at all. Oh, I need a wrench. Dang it. This one I don't. Need a wrench over here. I hear neighbor kid go-kart. There he is. I probably use crescent wrenches more than I should. Actual wrenches and sockets are a better idea. There we go, that's pretty tight. Okay. Okay. Better go find the torque wrench, but that was pretty darn easy. Should we see how it drives? All right, you are getting live first impressions of the AEV steering stabilizer with me. I haven't gone anywhere yet. I jumped in here, grabbed the GoPro, put it on the dash, so you're going to see how this works in real time with me. And I'm not backing over Tobin, so we are good. Here we go. New steering stabilizer from AEV. Does it feel any different? I should probably take a turn. Well, swerve, swerve. So far, I'm gonna go with no. Feels pretty. Oh, fireworks over there. Feels pretty like it always has to me. $100 well spent? Question mark? I guess we'll have to come back with some longer term evaluation. Because the first 60 seconds taking turns in the neighborhood pretty much feels normal. So maybe it's different off-road. Maybe it's snake oil. Who knows? But at least I have a cool Bilstein AEV sticker underneath the front end of the truck now, right? Screams I spent extra money on my vehicle. Therefore, I am cool. Stay tuned, I guess. First impressions, no different. Okay, well that was a super fast install. Like, I think it took me, come on watch. Oh, my watch isn't even on. What the? Get it together. Okay, that was super fast install. I think I got my pathetic camera setup put together and did the unboxing and took this off and put that on, and it was 1 hour on the dot, including the little test drive. So first impressions, obviously, replacing this with that doesn't seem to make a big difference. Not maybe the 3rd of July wasn't the best idea to record a video on that day. And there's a lawnmower. So is it a good idea to upgrade your steering damper? I don't know. We'll find out longer term. Find out next time I can go off-road or for putzing around the neighborhood. Nope. Spend that $150 on something else. Thanks for watching, everybody. Your subscriptions makes my heart sing. Like, subscribe, comment. Comments are good. Can't believe how many more views my videos get if they have a comment on them. So I'm going to shill you. Please beg for comments. Yeah, see you next time.